In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist filters, an incredibly handy feature for those of you looking to maximize your productivity and keep your tasks organized. Filters in. Todoist allow you to view your tasks in a way that's most useful to you, whether that's seeing only what's due today, tasks assigned to a particular person, or even tasks of a certain priority. First things first, we'll need to log into Todoist. Head over to the Todoist website and click on the Login button. This will bring you to a page where you're prompted to enter your email address. Fill it in with the email address associated with your Todoist account. After you've entered your email, the next step is to type in your password. Once you've filled these credentials, simply click the Login button to access your Todoist dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Today view by default. This view shows you all the tasks that are due today, but let's say we want to customize this view a bit more. To do that, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled View. Click on it to reveal additional options for filtering your tasks. Upon clicking View, you'll find the Filter By option. This is where the magic happens. You can filter your tasks by various criteria to narrow down the view to exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive into some of these criteria to see how they can be used to your advantage. The first option you'll see under Filter By is Assignee. This is particularly useful if you're working in a team and you've got tasks assigned to different team members. By selecting an assignee, you can quickly see all the tasks that are allocated to a specific person. This makes it easy to keep track of who is responsible for what, especially in a collaborative environment. Next, let's take a look at the priority filter. Todoist allows you to assign a priority level from 1 to 4 to each task, with 1 being the highest priority. By filtering tasks by priority, you can focus on the most critical tasks that need your attention first. This is a great tool for managing your daily workload and ensuring that the most important tasks aren't overshadowed by less critical ones. Lastly, there's the label filter. Labels in Todoist enable you to tag your tasks with custom categories that make sense for your workflow. For example, you might have labels for each project you're working on, or labels for tasks that can only be done at home or in the office. By filtering your tasks by label, you can group similar tasks together, making it easier to batch work and increase your efficiency. In summary, Todoist filters are a powerful way to organize your tasks and ensure that you're focusing on what's most important. By learning how to use these filters effectively, you can tailor the app to better fit your personal or team workflow, ultimately helping you to be more productive. Remember, the beauty of Todoist is in its flexibility. Feel free to experiment with different filters and combinations of filters to find the setup that works best for you. Whether it's by assignee, priority, label, or some other criteria, the right filters can transform a daunting list of tasks into a manageable and focused action plan. I hope this guide has filled you with confidence in using Todoist filters to supercharge your task management. Stick around for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Todoist and other productivity tools. Happy filtering, and see you in the next video.